little bit. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you got it over here.
I have no idea what that is.
Come get her, Ray.
Discipline 1-1 right here.
Be ready.
There you go. Squeeze, Ayan, on them change up. Squeeze. Then we'll get this bunt. Good pick.
Just smoke this girl right now.
That's what I say too, dude. That's the thing. Coach needs to tell them that. You know what I mean? They're not ready to call all their pitches at this point. I think they need a little more help.
There you go.
There you go.
Emma has no problem being aggressive.
And that's what you gotta do, dude. You gotta do that. You gotta take that. I'd love for Coach every now and then to step in and say, hey, that's what I need to do.
Yeah, no, I agree.
So I'd love for Coach to step in every now and then and give them a
Throw her another one.
and get to them like that. I think they struggle sometimes finishing them off.
We gotta do it now because we're running out of time.
Good. Go.